Hey everyone, it is Chris with Online Store Help, and I'm going to do a really quick video today showing you how you can change the color of this progress bar if you're using Gravity Forms. Now, I started using Gravity Forms for a customer recently, and part of their surveys that they had a progress bar because we had it broken up, and the problem was this didn't match their brand colors, and I needed to figure out a way to change it. Now, there's a lot of plugins available to help you style your Gravity Forms, but none of the ones that I've been able to find will allow you to style this particular progress bar. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, we have to do this through a little bit of CSS, and I don't want this to freak you out because I'm not a CSS master. I'm going to show you how easy it is. But first of all, we need to find the CSS ID that works with this. So in this case here, we're going to right click and we're going to go down to Inspect. And what it's going to do is, you can see it's highlighted right now, which is this progress bar. And this is not exactly what we're looking for, but what we want to do is we want to click this little down arrow, and we're going to see the percentage. And in particular, we're looking for this right here, which is the percent bar blue. And what you can see is it has the background cover, which is this 036493. And what you can do is you can play around with it, which is you can come in here and let's say you put an F in, and now it changes it to a purple. But this doesn't help us because the minute we refresh it, it goes back to blue. So we just need to take this little bit of CSS code and add it into the back end of our website. So we come in here, and again, this is just the standard 2019 theme, and I'm going to show you how 2019 theme is a little bit different than Divi and what you had to put in, but it's all going to essentially be the same, which is we're going to come into Appearance and we're going to come into Customize. And in this case here, we want to add in additional CSS. Now, if we come back here, what we can do is we can copy this and add it into here, which is dot percentage bar blue. And then we're going to put in brackets, and we want to talk about background color, colon, pound F1234 5, and we end it with a semicolon. Now, one of the things that you're going to notice, this didn't change, and sometimes that happens. It all depends on the theme that you're using. So if I hit publish, nothing happens. So if this happens to you, the next thing is to do exclamation point important. We publish that, and that normally works. Space important. There we go. Have a little space in between here, and you can see we now have the red color. So if I change this to 4, 5, but either way we can publish it, and now you can see the color has now changed. And so that's how easy it is to change the background color of your Gravity Forms progress bar. Now, depending on what theme you're using, you may put it into additional CSS. When I use the Divi theme, it has another area that I can put it in. I didn't need to use the important, but that's very much how simple it is. Below this, I will save the code for you, which has the that you can just copy and paste, so you don't have to go and search for it. But stuff like that is some of the easiest ways to go about changing colors in your standard theme. So I hope you get a lot out of this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.